Hello, my name is Chris Parker. I'm product manager at Sharp Electronics, and here at ISE 2020 we've got our Windows collaboration display. So this is the very first certified Windows collaboration to come to the market, and this marks one of our most powerful partnerships with Microsoft that we, Sharp, have done. This is Skype Teams certified, and it's designed really to make sure that the meeting room space is working as seamlessly as possible with Microsoft productivity suites. So, we've got 70-inch Pro Cap touch. It's very smooth and, delight to work with. But, more than just a touch screen, it's got an integrated 4K camera with good microphone and speakers, all Teams Skype certified. One of the things here is the ease of use, to make sure that the user experience is brilliant. So we're having here a USB-C cable. So this is the way in which we can bring all our device data onto the screen. With USB-C, you have all your power delivery, internet networking, the video, USB touch, everything you need to power up your Windows collaboration display. So here, we've been running this for a few days, this particular laptop, and we don't have to worry about power. It's just connected with the one cable, everything that you need. So this is not about integrated all-in-one PC solutions, this is BYOD. So, you come along with your notebook or with your laptop, you've got your apps, which you've got all the data, which you know how to run Teams and all your video conferencing. And plugging in the USB-C, bringing up your desktop and all your apps, you're ready to go in your own environment, but at room scale. So collaboration, working together, getting a good meeting result is pretty straightforward with the Windows collaboration display, but it's also about the environment. So we've got an IoT sensor hub up there, and if I quickly move to the on-board system, what you can see is, we're measuring temperature, humidity, air quality like CO2, TVOC, and we have also occupancy and light sensors. So a lot of data being taken up by the IoT sensor hub, sent up to the Azure cloud services. Again, this is part of our Microsoft partnership, and we make all that data available on this dashboard. It's called Workspace. And with that intelligence, you can make sure your meeting room is comfortable, that people are getting the air quality and the lighting ambient conditions which are suitable and conducive to good working together. So good tools, a good working environment. We as Sharp are promising great meetings. If you want to know more, please go to www.sharp.eu.